Very good morning, students. Today we are going to study one poem, a very interesting poem, Macavity, the Mystery Cat. Students, in this poem, we will read about a cat which is not only a cat, a criminal too. So, students, this poem is written by T.S. Eliot. He is a long poem writer. The poem describes how he managed to commit all types of crimes and always escape from the spot. Okay, students, so let's read your first stanza of your poem. Macavity, Macavity, a cat he calls the hidden paw, for he is the master of criminal who can defy the law. He is a bafflement of Scotland Yard. The flying Scots disappear, for when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. So, students, in this poem, a cat is there who is a criminal who does the crime and disappear from that place, and who has become a headache for Scotland Yard. Actually, Scotland Yard, it is a headquarter of London police. That's called Scotland Yard. So in this first stanza, we come to know about that the cat is known by hidden paw, because he is a master criminal and who can defeat the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland and disappear of the Flying Scot. Flying Scot means a branch of the serious and organized crime command with London Police Service. Okay, students, means a special Scot is there that's called Flying Scot. But Macavity is that much criminal and sharp-minded that who can hide himself from that Scot too, and who has become a puzzle for that Scot. Okay, students, so I hope all of you have understood that first stanza. So let's go to the other one. Macavity, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. He broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His power of levitation would make the figure stress. And when you reach the scene, the crime, Macavity is not there. You may seek him in a basement. You may look up in the air. But I tell you once and again, Macavity is not there. So, students, in this stanza, again that poet is saying that Macavity is that much criminal who has broken all the human law and the law of gravity. Law of gravity means actually the Macavity is such kind of that cat who has that much power to hide himself. He flies one place to another place. He jump from one building to another building and hide himself. So that kind of special power that cat is having, and when just you look like that, suppose that you find out that the cat is in the basement, when you go to find, you will not be able to find that cat there. Means that much criminal mind and that much powerful that cat is, and that cat can hide himself. At least you will say Macavity is not there. Okay, students, so let's go to the other stanza. So Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him, you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed. His coat is dusty from neglect. his whiskers means mooching are uncombed. He saws his hand from side to side with movements like snake, and when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. So students, according to the poet, no one liked that mystery cat. And in this stanza, the poet introduced the cat like a ginger cat. He tells that the cat is tall and thin. One will know if he see his sunken eyes. Eyebrows are deeply lined with thought. So students, the writer is explaining about that cat, that how the cat looks like. Okay, so whenever we think that the cat is sleeping but that cat is awake, means हम सोचते हैं जब कि बिल्ली सोई हुई होगी, लेकिन वो बिल्ला हमेशा जागा हुआ होता है। वो इतना शातिर है कि वो आपसे 4 गुना आगे होता है, और उसकी आंखें जो है वो इतनी खूबसूरत हैं, वो आपको अट्रैक्ट कर लेती हैं। मीन्स एक शातिर बिल्ला है वो। Okay students, let's read the 4th stanza. Macavity, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity, for he is faint and feline shapes, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the squad, but when a crime discovered, then Macavity is not there. Again, the writer is saying about this that कि अगर आपको मैकेविटी से मिलना है तो मैकेविटी आपको कहीं पर भी दिखाई दे जाएगा, किसी भी गली में दिख जाएगा, किसी गली मोहल्ले में जहाँ पर भी क्राइम हुआ है वहाँ पर मैकेविटी मिल जाएगा। मैकेविटी ऐसा दिखता है जैसा कि एक राक्षस हो, और बट जब भी अपराध का कहीं पर पता लगेगा पर मैकेविटी वहाँ नहीं मिलेगा। मीन्स एटलीस्ट द मैकेविटी विल नॉट बी देयर, बट द क्राइम डेफिनेटली डन बाय मैकेविटी। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, that type of poem it is, and I hope all of you have understood that poem. We will send you the question and answer of this poem in PDF. Till then, stay at home, stay healthy, stay safe. Bye bye.